Hello guys, thank you for being with us. We are today with a really special guest. We are with Alexis from NYM. And Alexis, I would like to, if you can introduce yourself and tell us about yourself and also about NYM.
Okay, so I'm Alexis Roussel. I'm the COO of NYM Technologies. Myself, I'm in the crypto industry since 2013. I created a broker first that got the first license in Switzerland in 2014 called Bitty. Still exists, and now I'm working for NYM. And NYM is a mixnet. We're building a system that allows to enable privacy and not just end-to-end encryption. It's not just hiding the message, but it's hiding actually the path, hiding who talks to who through a network which is called a mixnet.
Awesome. And what are your current plans? What are your current status of the company? Have you already launched it? And where are you based? And where are you planning to grow if you have any kind of plans?
Yeah, so the company is already far away because we already have 4 years of existence. We built up first a test net that was very successful, and now we have mainnets, which is running since months of April, May. Our token has been launched, but especially the mixnet itself is running, so people can start using it, and we are improving it day to day. So we're still in the phase where we are building all the blocks because it's a very complex machine between the mixnet, the blockchain, and all the parts of the mixnet, which are pretty amazing by its complexity. And at the same time, we're building actually the scope for the company to be able to service the whole internet. So our focus is really to become the privacy by default system around the world that to ensure enhanced privacy for everyone. So we're based in Switzerland. We're financed by some VCs like A16Z, like Polychain, like Wobby. So a mixture of American, Swiss, we have Swisscom, we have some telcos, some European VCs, and some Asian Chinese VCs.
Awesome. How do you see the industry right now? Like we have just heard about this great or big situations happening with FTX and with the whole community. How do you see the present of the Web3 industry? What do you think, or why do you think that NYM is one of the companies that is solving one of the biggest challenges right now? And how do you see the future of the crypto industry and more general the Web3 industry?
Yeah, so like I told you before, I'm in here for already a long time. So it's actually another crisis, right? Obviously, it's getting bigger every time. So FTX is way bigger than Mt. Gox was back in the time. But for the industry, the size, the proportion is roughly the same. So it affects everyone. So it does affect us in terms of the market. It doesn't affect us in the sense that we didn't have any money with FTX, we didn't have any exposure with FTX, so basically all the companies who are managing their funds themselves, managing their funds correctly, were not exposed to this. So it is a washout. It's very hard because a lot of people sometimes realize they were exposed and they didn't thought so. I'm really sad. It's really sad for those people. But we're in a very dynamic industry, so people can reorganize themselves very quickly. And at the end, now we're entering a phase where the companies who are building very fundamental blocks are able to do their job. And we will see in the next run those projects pick up, emerge, and that's really exciting. So no, I think it's, FTX was playing with the money of their clients. I mean, you shouldn't do that, and it went wrong. I mean, it's not a secret. It happens for centuries already. The crypto industry is much more than this, actually.
How do you see the future of the crypto industry and of the Web3 industry? What do you envision as a nice future for us?
Yeah, no, for me it's very important because how I see it is that Bitcoin first and then the crypto that goes around with it is a major transformation of our economy because we are introducing new accounting systems. We are moving from double entry accounting to triple entry accounting. People, you can look it up. but because it's quite complex concept. But this is a fundamental concept which will change all the way we are working. And there is so much energy in the Web3 economy because of this. We don't understand it yet exactly why, but this is one of the reasons. It creates synergies between the projects, between the people. It creates kind of like new relationship with the users, who is at the same time user, customer, investors, resource provider. You can choose your role basically and have multiple roles in this industry, and that makes all the value out of it. So the future is bright, but we have to live by the cycles of Bitcoin. Every 4 years we have these cycles, and it's okay. I mean, for me it's okay. We're going to we are at the right spot actually.
Awesome. What are you looking for participating in this kind of event, like in IBW, in Istanbul Blockchain Week? What are your main goals?
So yeah, our main goals for NYM is really to connect with our community, because Turkish community is maybe, I think, our 5th largest community. So we know Turkey is like one of the leading countries in terms of cryptocurrency adoption right now, and it's not going to stop. We see like strong factors that pushes, of course, in that direction. And so we need to be there. That's the first thing, being connected to our community.
Awesome. Who are your users right now? Like, are you like more company focused or more B2C focused, like end consumer focused?
Yeah, so we're pretty agnostic. Our network is agnostic to that, right? But right now we are focusing on the people who are helping to build this infrastructure, because we need our mixed net operators, our node operators, our gateways. All this needs to be built. It's already up and running, but and then we're going to have users. The first user we will have are the developers, who are going to develop other apps and want to use NYM as a network communication layer. But then we will have clearly an approach of like approaching bigger corporations or bigger services, because what is great with NYM is that you can add the NYM technology into major applications without even the end user being aware of this, and providing security for them. So an update can be, if you're like a big messaging app, and you're building a messaging app, then you can add NYM inside, and then you can upgrade all the devices of your clients to use NYM. So that's a great feature. So we're going to focus a bit there, because there's going to be big adoption like this.
Awesome. How can we get more information about NYM and about what you guys are doing?
Yeah, so it's very easy. The website is nymtech.net. Twitter is NYM Project. And on Telegram, be careful on Telegram, there's a lot of fake channels. But if you go on our website, and you will find the right channels. We have a dedicated channel for the Turkish community. You're welcome to join us there.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Alexis, and thank you guys for being connected. See you in the next chapter.
Thank you.